gaskets from arms, thread the wires from arms through the holes of lamp body, and then fix the arms on lamp body by screwing the nuts and gaskets back. Twist all LN wires together separately with wire connectors. If you need any help, please contact our customer service for any questions. Our service email: service@shrinelighting.com. You can also access Amazon buyer messaging service for your convenience. Thank you.